Can you say it again? Can you say Aunt Julie?
Say.
I know Sammy. Say Aunt
Joy.
Aunt Julie.
At. Airplane.
Airplane. I hear an airplane. Can you say Aunt Julie?
Papa.
I know Papa's coming on the airplane. Can you say Aunt Julie?
Oh, toy.
Can you say Grandma?
There.
Aunt Julie. What about Papa? Can you say Papa?
Papa.
And who else with Papa?
Daddy.
Gaki, that's right. Papa and Gaki. And Grandma
There.
and Aunt Julie.
At. Toy.
Very good.